Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, we're talking dahlias. With the wedding season soon upon us, hundreds will be asking for dahlias, if not thousands, across the world. And your challenge will be keeping them alive as long as possible. The technique is simple. Start with boiling water. Yes, steaming hot. About 2 inches. And you can see the steam coming up. Then give it a cut. Set it in the boiling water. And I like to leave it overnight. Let it cool to room temperature before you begin designing. Now when you go to design, the finished stem will look like cooked asparagus. That way you know it's ready to go. There's your tip for today. See you next week. Get out there and do something you love.